Hi, this is Anil from Learning Lad Education and welcome to the What's the Output video series on C programming language. Here we're going to give you a C program and we're going to ask you guys to guess the output of the program, and then we're going to explain the output. So all you need to do is pause this movie and take a look at the source code which is here in the editor, and then come up with the output of this program. Once you have an answer, just play the movie. I'm going to explain the output. Alright, now I believe that you guys have an answer for this program. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do build and run. So it's gonna be build and run, and the answer for this program is gonna be what's up, welcome to Learning Lad. So now why the heck we're gonna get what's up, welcome to Learning Lad. So here the preprocessor expressions are not the same as the ordinary expressions. If a macro is not known to the preprocessor, then the preprocessor treats it to be equal to 0. In this program, you guys can see here, we haven't defined the macro learning lad. And here, when we use it with the if preprocessor directive, it's gonna treat this learning lad as 0 equal to 0. So the condition satisfies, and that's why this printf statement will be included. And that's why we're gonna get the output what's up and welcome to Learning Lad. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna define the Learning Lad macro, and I'm gonna use the hash define preprocessor directive, and it's gonna be Learning Lad, and I'm gonna set to a value of 1. Alright, now I'm gonna build and run. Now you guys can see we're gonna get only welcome to Learning Lad, because I have defined this Learning Lad macro and I have set a value of 1 in it, and that's why this if is gonna fail, and the printf statement which is inside this if will not be included. And here you can initialize this macro Learning Lad with any values. If you want, you guys can initialize it with 0 also. If I initialize it with 0 and build and run it, the program runs and it says what's up and welcome to the Learning Lad. That's because Learning Lad is going to contain 0 equal to 0, condition satisfies, and this printf will be included. And the thing to remember in this tutorial is, if you don't define a preprocessor macro, this preprocessor is going to treat it as 0. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my website learninglad.com for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.